Critical thinking mastery. Transform your mindset for ultimate personal growth. Ready to master critical thinking for ultimate personal growth? In this video, you'll uncover key strategies to transform your mindset, boost decision-making, and achieve more in life. Stick around for actionable insights that will elevate your thinking. If you're excited about growth, hit that like button and let's dive in. Develop critical thinking skills. Analyze and evaluate information. Take a disciplined approach by stepping back from your immediate reactions and examining situations objectively. Identify and overcome biases. Recognize cognitive biases such as confirmation bias and actively seek opposing viewpoints. Challenge assumptions. Question your own and others' assumptions to uncover new perspectives. Build mental resilience. Learn to adapt to challenges and overcome setbacks by developing emotional intelligence and mindfulness. Improve decision-making and problem-solving. Break down complex problems. Use problem decomposition to divide large issues into smaller, more manageable components. Gather relevant information. Before making decisions, ensure you have a clear understanding of the problem and the information needed to solve it. Generate multiple solutions. Engage in creative brainstorming to explore different possibilities. Evaluate options objectively. Use decision matrices and consider the pros and cons of each option. Monitor outcomes. Continuously assess the results of your decisions and adjust as needed. Build self-awareness. Practice mindfulness. Set aside time daily to observe your thoughts and feelings in the present moment without judgment. Engage in reflective journaling. Write down your thoughts and decisions to identify recurring patterns, emotional triggers, and cognitive biases. Seek feedback from others. Ask trusted friends or colleagues to give you honest opinions about your strengths and weaknesses. Enhance logical reasoning. Understand premises and conclusions. Break down arguments into their claims, premises, and conclusions to assess their validity. Recognize logical fallacies. Learn to spot and avoid common errors in reasoning, such as the ad hominem attack or slippery slope fallacy. Commit to evidence-based thinking. Ensure your conclusions are based on reliable data and verifiable facts rather than personal beliefs or emotions. Engage with diverse perspectives. Seek out alternative viewpoints. Deliberately expose yourself to information or opinions that challenge your existing beliefs. Practice sympathy. Try to understand different perspectives by seeing the world through others' eyes. Play devil's advocate. Challenge your preferred option by arguing against it or assigning others to advocate for opposing views. Strengthen mental flexibility. Reframe problems. Look at challenges from different angles to uncover innovative solutions. Cultivate intellectual humility. Acknowledge that your knowledge is incomplete and be open to learning from others. Stay open-minded. Consider multiple explanations and be willing to change your mind when presented with new information. Build a growth mindset. Embrace challenges. See difficulties as opportunities for learning and personal growth, rather than threats to your self-image. Learn from failure. View setbacks as opportunities for growth and improvement instead of fixed limitations. Found these critical thinking tips helpful? Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to level up their mindset. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more powerful content that will accelerate your personal growth.